Hello, good morning everyone. I'm here with Explorer Alan.
Hi.
We're just at the airport, we're about to get our flight and we're heading over to Brussels for Comic Con and to explore the city. Sorry the lighting's terrible, I'll do a proper introduction once we touch down. Bye! That was even worse. Is this even on? Yeah, it is on. Hello, we're here now in Brussels. We touched down about 10-15 minutes ago. We've got a train ticket to... We've got our train ticket to head to Brussels. We're not sure exactly where the hotel is. We're not completely sure even where we're going. I know the lighting was really bad last time. You can probably tell my one eye. It's all red. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I've had a cold all week and I've been a bit unwell. And I woke up this morning with a red eye. Maybe I can find somewhere in Brussels that will treat me. My eye's not loose or anything, so it's not going to fall out. It's just very red and it doesn't hurt. Alright, let's go get a train. So we've made it. We're in the Easy Hotel in Brussels, in Belgium. It wasn't too hard to get here. We got it up on Google Maps and then wandered over here. On the way, we stopped off and got some eye medicine or eye drops. So hopefully, as the week goes on, my eye will look less red and less gross and it won't fall out. So good news. I'm going to stay here. Al's going to charge his phone. And then we're going to go and get some food and maybe explore the city.
Explore the world.
Yeah, it looks a bit weird that's holding me for so much. Yeah, Geek Explorers. That's Alan. Explorer Alan. Alright, bye. So yeah, we went out for dinner. We went to a burger place called Ellis's Burgers. Is that what it was called?
Ellis Burgers.
Ellis Burgers. It was very tasty. I hope you enjoyed seeing the bits of Brussels that we had a look at. Tomorrow we're going to Comic Con. We're going for both Saturday and Sunday. So I don't know if we'll film for both days, but we'll definitely film for at least one. So Comic Con tomorrow. And then we'll probably have a day after that where we look around the city. So, good night, see you later.